Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Axiom Pro. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is head on over to Axiom.trade and log into your account. From here, go ahead and click onto the top right hand corner and then click onto withdraw. Now a little withdraw box is going to appear like this. Now from here, under withdraw, you can choose if you want to withdraw Solana or USDC, so pick whichever. Now if it is Solana, put in your withdrawal amount. So if you want to do 10 Sol, put in 10 Sol. Make sure you got enough in there, and then from here select the chain that you want to withdraw from. So now I'm going to choose the chain Solana for this, so I want to do Sol. Then you're going to see the gas fee as well. So with the withdrawal amount, the gas fee is going to be down on the bottom right hand corner here. So additional gas fees for Solana transfer. And now under Solana, we need to put the address of the destination wallet and then go ahead and click on. Now once you've done that successfully, it's going to say withdraw Sol, and then go ahead and click onto that, and then all that Sol is going to be transferred to that wallet.